You having fun, Rhys? Yeah? Yeah? Call him. Yeah, he's doing good. We got a lot of puppies in here. Oh, Rhys. Come on, Rhys. Come on, yeah. Yeah. Who's a good boy? Hi. Hi. Be nice. Remember? That's our new words. Be nice. He knows it. Whoa, good little pee smell. Who's that? Is that pee? You go pee too? Rhys. Rhys! There he is. We got a lot of big dominant boys in here. He's doing pretty good. Pretty good. Uh-oh. Butts touching. You guys are giving each other a high five with your tails. Even a nice little corner. Look at that. It was great. All in the corner. Good job, guys. Good job, Rhys. Rhys!